ragu. That'll be good. Right, this FRH definitely needs using. Oh, they're always at the top. Shake them down to the bottom before you cut them open. Might use the sharp knife for this one. Right, let's keep our piece of tape. We'll need that in a minute. So that's probably all we need there. Okay. Now, which side up is our heating thing on? It's on that side. So we roll you up like that, and then stick a piece of tape down on here and hope it holds on. Set this flat with that sitting in the water. Now, somewhere in here we have a spoon and we have a cup of tea somewhere in here. Let's see here. Starting to steam a little bit, which means we're getting hot. Right, now we've got some steam coming out of that FRH. Doing a good job. Steaming away down here.